Hello students, welcome back to our channel Simplified Computer Science Concepts by Professor Rutuja. In continuation to our earlier video of election algorithms, we completed Boolean algorithm. Now let us see this ring algorithm. Ring algorithm is one of the election algorithms in distributed systems. Now it works on the principle of that the process priority is obtained by organizing processes into a logical ring. So all the processes that are there, they will be arranged in a logical ring-like structure. And whichever process has the highest priority will be elected as a coordinator. So when a process notices that a coordinator is not functioning, so it builds an election message, and that election message will again contain its own process number along with it. Sends this message to its successor. So if the successor is down, then that particular node is skipped and the message is transferred to the next member in the ring. At each step, sender adds its own process number to the list in the message. Now, when the message gets back to the process that it started it all, that means the process who has initiated it and the messages came back to that initiator, in that case the process with the maximum process ID wins. So it will maintain a queue. In that queue, whichever process has the highest priority or has a maximum process ID will be the new coordinator, and the initiator announces the winner by sending another message around this ring. Now we will see the illustration and then the algorithm will be more clearer to you. So let's say 2 and 5 are the two nodes, and all these, initially there are 8 nodes and all these 8 nodes are arranged in a logical ring like structure. 2 and 5 are the nodes which detects that the coordinator has crashed and initiates the election message. So 8 has crashed, so 2 and 5 simultaneously understands that 8 has got crashed, so they initiate a election message. So 2 will send, so let us first check, look into the scenario for how 2 sends the election message over this logical ring. So 2 sends the message to the successor. Who is the successor? 3, along with its own number in the queue. Then 3 sends to 4, append itself into the queue. Now the queue is 2, 3. Now 4 sends to 5 and 4 number is appended in the queue. 5 sends to 6 and 5's number is appended in the queue. 6 to 7 and appends itself in the queue. 7 will send the message to 8, but then 8 has got crashed. So the next live successor is 1 in the logical ring. So 7 will send a message to 1 by appending itself to the queue. And then 1 will send a reply to 2 by appending 1 into the message. Now the message has come back to the initiator. 2 initiated the message and now the message has came back to the initiator. So no need of again running the message. Here we will stop. Now whatever finally we have got, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we have to elect a coordinator among this process IDs. So which one is the highest one? 7 is the highest one, which means that 7 is the coordinator that is elected by 2. But then simultaneously 5 has also detected that 8 has got crashed and it initiates the election. So let us see for the how 5 will send the election message. So 5 has understood that 8 has got crashed. So 5 sends a message to its successor, that's 6. That is 6 with its number into the queue. 6 will be sent to 7 and it will append itself to 7. 7 to 1, it will not send to 8 because 8 had got crashed. So the next live successor is 1. So 7 will be appended to the queue. 1 to 2 and 1 will append to 2. 2 to 3 and 2 will append in the queue. 3 to 4 and 3 will append in the queue. And 4 to 5 and 4 will append in the queue. Now who was the initiator? 5 was the initiator. Now we have now reached at 5. So no need of again traversing the ring. We will stop here and now check the contents of the queue at 5. It is 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now just check the contents and who is the highest, which is the highest process? 7. So 5 also understands that 7 is the new coordinator because it is the highest process in the queue. So 2 and 5 will convert this election message to the coordinator messages, and all process recognize highest number process as a new coordinator. So both of them, 2 and 5, sends a coordinator message which is elected, a coordinator which is elected as 7 to the nodes in the ring, saying that 7 is the new coordinator. So if you just observe, 2 also selects 7 as a coordinator and 5 also selects 7 as a coordinator. So this is all about ring algorithm. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts, you can enter your doubts into the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel Simplified Computer Science Concepts by Professor Rutuja. Thank you for watching the video.